What's good, Fredo gang? Y'all tapped in with another one. We got another mod going on the Camaro today. Got it parked in the garage, got it all tore apart. And if you see this, you probably guess what I'm doing right now. But if you don't know, now you know. I'm putting stars in the roof. You know what I'm saying? It's that Wraith Camaro, boy. Got it all torn apart. It was a pain in the ass. So I can't pull this out, so I'm gonna have to do it from the inside. Only way you'll be able to pull this out is if you took your windshield off. We all know I ain't doing that, so I've been climbing up under here, sit right there, and then I'm gonna do my work forward. After I get this back end part down right here, I'm gonna start on the front, slide this back, and I'm gonna work my way in the front. But y'all stay tuned. I got it pretty much ready to just poke the holes in there, get the fibers pushed in, glued in, and then we're just gonna reassemble. And for the people with the Camaros, I'll walk y'all through what all I had to do to get this thing undone. First, you're gonna want to undo all your cluster up here. No bolts, everything pops out right here. It's 2 screws that you don't need to take out. It just pulls down. You're gonna take out 2 screws right here with your what is the damn thing called? Mirrors. Your mirrors. 2 screws right here, 1 in this one. Same for the other side. And then if you come to the back, you don't have to remove this stuff on the side, just the back right here. And then there's 2 more screws. It's gonna be 1 right here and then 1 on the other side for the hooks in your back seat. So you're gonna take those out, and then you should be able to wiggle the rest out and they'll drop down. But there's no pulling this thing out. You probably could, but I don't want to bend it, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass to put back in. So we're just gonna deal with it, get through it, and I'll let y'all know how I go. Show y'all what kit I went with. Amazon. Well, the LED fiber kit, Chinley Bluetooth Twinkle. This the one with the motor, the Bluetooth. I'm gonna undo this. I'm gonna unscrew that and then strip this wire. There'll be a positive and negative underneath, and I'm gonna wire it to the battery. Here's the remote. Comes with. Already comes with the battery. Already tested it inside, plugged it to the wall, and this is your engine. Some of them come with a different motor, but this one is the one that rotates, and that's what actually causes the twinkle effect. So I went with this one. Y'all chill on my trunk right now, know what I'm saying? We got everything everywhere, so you know, we got some shoes and all that, but yeah. And we got that P3 back there, you know what I'm saying? That thing whamming back there. If y'all didn't know, got the wham in the trunk. We had race with it in there. But yeah, man, I'm about to put these fibers in. I think I have 250. Actually, this is the set with 200. I ain't want too many, you know what I'm saying? I don't want it overkill, I just want enough. So I went with 200. And how I'm gonna do it is, I'm gonna divide these by 50 and do it in sections. So I'm gonna count out 50, count out another 50, another 50. You know what I'm saying? Break it into 4. And then I'm gonna section it off, you know what I'm saying? Left front corner, right front corner, back. You know what I'm saying? And so on. By 50. And then glue them in there, get this thing put back up. Alright, so I got them sectioned off. I didn't really count them, I just eyeballed it. Look about even, because it's too many to count, they keep getting tangled. But I got them all separated. This is how I went about it. You know what I'm saying? Put some tape right here, tape at the bottom. Got them all divided, and now it's time to go in the car and start running them. I think I'm gonna run the motor in the trunk. Yeah, I'm gonna run the motor in the trunk. So I'm gonna have to take my sub out, pull it up, get to the battery. But yeah, time to start getting these bad boys in the roof. So we got the back half pretty much done. Gotta glue these few on this side. Did that side already glued. At this point I'm just gonna drill them all and then go back and glue last, so I get it done. But I'm about to take a break. Just wanted to show y'all progress right now. Let me show you what it's looking like underneath. So the whole back half is pretty much done. I'm about to light it up for a minute just to see what it's looking like. Give y'all a little sneaky peek. So I just plugged it up, kind of see where we at now. Yeah, we lit. So yeah, just gotta finish this upper half. Run to the store real quick, give me some more glue, and then come back, glue them, clip them, and we riding in the CAMARO Wraith. Stars in the ceiling. I was gonna put my name in the roof, but I ain't even gonna do it. I ain't even gonna snap that hard just yet. Alright gang, so I'm back, pretty much done. Got all of that in there. About to put these foam pieces back on top, glue them down. That's pretty much what it's looking like. I put a Chevy symbol in the middle, but you ain't gonna really tell what that is until I put it up there and clip them. So right now I'm about to put them back up, clip them, and I'll show y'all the after. If y'all got any questions, drop a comment or hit me on Instagram, ss_Fredo on Instagram too. But yeah man, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to the channel. We got more mods coming to the car. I think this is gonna look crazy right here. So let's get this thing hooked up. Just got everything put together. So now we about to, let me turn this music off real quick before I get this copyright. But yeah, just got the roof put back together. So now time for the fun part. Cut all these mugs off. I went ahead and put a bow tie in the roof right here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, time to cut. All right gang, so that pretty much wrap it up for this one. You know what I'm saying? To give y'all the final view. Of the stars. That's my Chevy symbol I done put in the roof. Just want to sit in here. I've been sitting in here about 20 minutes now, just looking at them, chilling. But yeah, man, I think that's one of my favorite mods. One of them. Just want to ride down the street now. Cruise through the city. Look at the lights. Yeah, man. So that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, drop a comment if you need help, got any questions on the kit or whatever. Yeah. Appreciate the support. We going up all year. Just like the stars.